How to create a LinkedIn account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create a new LinkedIn account. So to do that, first of all, go to any web browser on either your mobile device or your desktop, and in the web address bar, simply type in linkedin.com. And if you don't want to type that in, I'll have the link in the description. You can simply open it from there. Now, once you're on this website, simply scroll down and then tap on the option New to LinkedIn. Join now. Now, once you're on this page, you'll be basically provided with two different options. So you can either enter your email address and create an account from there. But if you want, you can also create a LinkedIn account using your Google account. So for now, I'll simply enter my email address over here. Now create a new password for your LinkedIn account. Now, once you've done that, tap on the option agree and join. After that, you'll have to enter your first name and your last name. So enter both of those over here. Now you'll have to complete a CAPTCHA. So tap on the option verify and now complete the CAPTCHA over here. Now you'll have to enter your country or region and finally your city or your district. Now tap on the option next. After that, if you are a student, simply tap on the option I am a student. But if you are not a student and have a job, you'll have to enter your most recent job title over here. But for now, I'll simply choose I'm a student. Now you'll have to fill out details over here. Now tap on the option continue. After that, they will send a verification code to your email address. So simply open your mail and enter the code. Now, as you can see, this is the code right over here. So I'll simply copy this code and paste it over here. Now tap on the option agree and confirm. And now you'll have to select any one of these three options over here. So tap on the option next. Now tap on the option next. Finally, again tap on the option next. And there you have it. So that is basically how you create a LinkedIn account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.